Good evening, Five Links, and welcome to this week's weekly webinar series. This week we are going to bring you TextAlertz, and we have some new mobile marketing tools that we would like you to use when you are selling your TextAlertz platform to potential customers. I'd like to introduce our host this evening, Rob Thompson.
Hi, everybody. Glad to be here. A really exciting time to be involved with, and thanks, Beth, by the way. I appreciate it. Really great opportunity right now to be involved with Five Links and be a part of the release of a new version of our application, which has just some really awesome features. Then we wanted to make sure that you guys were aware of them, because it's so easy to walk out there today and show some people right on your phone how this works and how it's going to make them money, and they'll buy it from you. And that's really all you got to do, is go out and show it to them right on their phone, tell them how it's going to make them money, and they will absolutely buy this from you. And we think everybody out there can go out and sell 2 or 3 or 4 of these accounts this month without even trying, really. So we're going to show you exactly how that's done. We're going to give you a really sweet demo app that goes right on your phone, and then you're going to go out and sell some of these tools and some of these new things that we have. Inside of the application now, we have just an incredible mobile website builder. It's been rated one of the best in the industry. Once you have a mobile website for one of your customers, they can go in and edit it themselves if they want to, and change any of the content and update pictures or their menu anytime they want to, real easily once it's built for them. And they love that. They love that part of it. We'll talk more about that coming up. We have a new kiosk builder that is really easy to use, and it really helps people build databases. One of the biggest challenges with mobile programs in the past for any business or any individual is building that database, and the new kiosk builder helps with that. Our real estate program that you guys have had access to and been able to sell is great. If the real estate agents get in there and use it and start building databases themselves, it's a great lead generator for them. It's going to help them close more sales each month. And the other piece that we have had access to for a while, but we're going to be training on a little bit today, is the mobile coupons and why they're so powerful. It's basically like giving a business the ability to do their own Groupon if they want to, and it's without having to pay the exorbitant Groupon prices and lose out on half of the revenue that they bring in. And then again, we're going to talk today about a little app that you're going to put on your phone, and that app is going to be your demo app. And you're going to be able to just click that demo app. It's going to take you right to a page. It's got tons of different industries on it. You're going to pick which industry you want to show the demo to, and then you're going to send that demo right to the customer's phone right now, where they can look at mobile sites and example mobile coupons. So let's jump in and get talking about just a couple strategic things to understand of how these new tools can benefit a business. We know in the TextAlertz program that we can go to any business, any church, an insurance agent, anybody, and we can tell people, hey, this is a database building program. If you put up some signs or hand people a card and it says text this word to this phone number, people can text in and they go into a database. Well, what we found is that businesses, when they use our tablet landing page builder, our kiosk builder, just imagine this scenario. When you walk into the business, right there on the counter is a tablet. And she says to you, hey, would you like a coupon for a free appetizer next time you come in? And they go, absolutely, I'd love one. And she goes, well, just type your mobile number here on the tablet. Or you walk into a grocery store, and the greeter greets you at the door by the carts. And she says, hey, type your mobile number in. We're giving away a $200 grocery shopping spree. Every single person that walks in the door is going to type their mobile number in. And so instead of building 3 or 4 people per day into your database, all of a sudden businesses are building 30 people or 50 people, or in some cases 75 or 100 people into their database every single day. It doesn't just work for restaurants or service places like your Jiffy Lube type places, right? Right at the service counter. When the service person is at the counter and they're sitting there talking to the person and checking them out, they have a tablet sitting right there, and they say, just type your mobile number in and you'll get a coupon for $10 off your next oil change. And when they type their mobile number in, they instantly get back that text message and opt in, just the same way as if they texted it in, but it's just a lot easier to do it. So it's really great. We've talked about churches in the past, but the tablet landing page builder, the kiosk builder, is a phenomenal tool for them. So you can literally go to any church tomorrow and you can tell them, hey, you're handing out, what, 300 programs every Sunday? Well, those 300 programs cost you X amount of dollars X amount of cents per program. This is a way where you don't have to give out programs anymore, and will cut your just printing off those program costs by cut it by about 75%. So they'll literally save hundreds of dollars a month by joining the TextAlertz program. And all they do, when every single person walks in the door, their deacon stands there right at the door and has them type their mobile number in their tablet. And what do those people get back on their phone? A text message with a link to the mobile site that has all of the information and pictures about that they normally put on the program. Plus, they've opted in for the church's database, and now that church can send out messages each week to remind people to come, or remind people about potluck, or remind people about the event they're having. And they can utilize that database. Think about this in terms of nonprofits. Every single nonprofit that is out there, the ones that you guys are involved in, they have events 2 or 3 times a year. And at those events, people walk up to the table and register, or people walk by the booth and pick up information. But instead of, when they walk by the booth to pick up information, instead of handing them information in paper form that gets thrown away, have them type their mobile number in. When they're registering for the 5K, have them type their mobile number in. And then, once a month, you can go back to those people and say, watch this video about the people we're helping, and donate an extra $10 or $20. Click here to donate. And then click the link in the text message that was sent out to the big database of people and get additional donations each month. The additional donations brought in will more than pay for the service itself. This tablet landing page builder is a great way to build a database. It works for churches and nonprofits, retailers, restaurants, insurance agents, realtors, any single person, any individual business person wants to build databases of their potential audience. The easiest way to do it is to give them a text message program, give them a TextAlertz program, build them a little tablet landing page, and have their people type in their mobile number in the tablet and start building that database today. The mobile coupon program is just awesome. Then when you talk to a business, and this is any business that coupons, right? Any business that you get in the paper and they've got tons of coupons coming in. Those businesses out there are, they're printing paper and they're spending thousands of dollars trying to get their coupons out in circulation. Every business that runs a Groupon campaign, look through Groupon. Look at all the local businesses that are running Groupons. All of those people will buy this service from you. What do? You just call them and go, hey, John, I saw the Groupon you put out there. Look, we've got a mobile couponing tool that essentially allows you to do your own Groupon to your own databases without having to lose all that money to Groupon and without having to pay Groupon, and you can do them anytime you want to. It'll take me 5 minutes to show it to you, and it'll make you thousands more dollars per location every single month. And then you walk in there, and you send them an example mobile coupon to their phone. And that example mobile coupon you send to their phone, you tell them you get to create whatever the offer is. Just like you did on Groupon, it can be $20 of food for $10. And when they walk in, they redeem just like they do the Groupon app. See, the Groupon app has a little redeem button, and the servers know how to use it. The servers look at it, and they click the redeem button, and it says, are you sure you want to redeem this right now? And they click OK, and then it gives them the coupon code, and it tracks it in the system. And that coupon can only be used one time. So imagine now you walk into John and you're showing him this coupon. And you say, John, you're going to have this tablet landing page. And as your hostess is walking people to their table, they're going to type their mobile number in the tablet and to get a coupon for a later visit. And then when your database has 5,000 people in it, you can send a message out to them once a month with your own Groupon, with that $10 for $20, or whatever type of offer that you want, a free appetizer with a purchase of another drink, or purchase of a entree, or whatever the coupon is. Now, I'm talking restaurant, right? But look at everybody that does a Groupon. They can do the exact same thing. Anybody, any retailer, any service person, anybody out there that does any kind of couponing, they can utilize this one-time redemption mobile coupon tool. How does it work? Well, whether somebody types their mobile number in the tablet or they text in, they get a coupon back on their phone that says the company name. Here's your discount. Save 30 cents on any flavor of Chobani yogurt. Click here to redeem. When they click that link, it then takes them to that coupon page that has a description of that coupon. When the person hits redeem, it says, are you sure you want to redeem this coupon? And when they hit OK, it then shows them the barcode and the coupon code, and it redeems it in the system so they can track it, and the person gives them the discount. It also has the ability to share the coupon on social media. So a lot of businesses are utilizing this with their own current customers and then telling their current customers, share that on Facebook or Twitter, and I'll give you this bonus coupon. And then their customers share the offer on Facebook, and now their 220 friends all see this coupon for this local business, and then this helps them grow their overall customer base. You see, when you take your existing customers and you have them share a promotion on their Facebook page, their friends all see it, and those are people that have not ever made it into your location or never bought from you before. And now they're all seeing this coupon, and you're getting free advertising out of the deal. And so showing people this coupon tool is a great way to be able to secure new TextAlertz accounts. Now, we've talked a lot about mobile websites in the past. Mobile websites can be a part of this same text messaging campaign. You see, the best way to augment a text message that you send out to people is to say, click here and see more, or click here and watch our video, or click here and see more coupons. And when they click the link, it takes them right to a great mobile site that has maps and everything else on it. But the data is there, and this is another great way to be able to sell people TextAlertz accounts. But is to call them up and or is to go to their website on your mobile phone. And when you go to their website on their mobile phone, more businesses out there today, it's about 70% of businesses, still don't have a good mobile version of their site. And if you go searching for their site, you find their site, and you look at it on your mobile phone, it's all small, and you have to zoom in, and you have to scroll over, and pieces of it don't work, and it's slow load times. Call that business up and tell him, John, hey, more than half, as of 2014, more people search for a local business from their mobile device than any other type of device, more than laptops, more than desktops. People, when they're looking for a plumber, they're searching from their mobile phone. When they're looking for a restaurant, they're searching from their mobile phone. When they're looking for a sale, they're searching from their mobile phone. And if you don't have a good mobile website, then Google is not ranking you as high as people that do have good mobile websites. And we can give you one of these mobile websites. And right now you go to their site and it looks all crappy, but we can give you a great mobile website that's easy to push buttons, very fast load times. You can have your whole menu on there. You can have your location maps that integrate to the mapping controls of your phone. You can have your donation button on it if you're a nonprofit, right? And it helps with your SEO. It helps with your placement on Google. It helps keep people from bouncing off of your site because they can find the information they need quickly. And we can give you a text messaging campaign to go along with it so you can actually, drive sales, send out your own Groupons, that sort of thing. Again, any business can use this, any type of industry. The question is, do you have the ability to go and show it to them in a very quick manner to get their attention? And whether I am on the phone with somebody or I'm talking to somebody in person, the single best way to sell this tool is to hand it to them right on their phone. Well, today, everyone, you're going to go get this app and put it right on your phone. This app stays on your phone. You can be talking to somebody on your phone, and you can click that little app right there. And when you click it, it opens up a page with all different kinds of industries. You've got fine dining and grocery stores and oil change places, HVAC repairmen, nonprofits. There's regular restaurants, quick service restaurants. There's all kinds of examples. Well, I'm talking to a flower shop owner. I click the flower shop tab. It then opens up a page with a flower shop example. In this case, I clicked fine dining, so the fine dining example pops up. All I'm going to do is type the mobile number in of the business owner that I'm talking to that owns the fine dining store. And when I type his mobile number in, I hit see example now, it sends him a text message. It actually sends him 2 text messages, and this is what's really cool. The first text message is an example redeemable coupon. So they click that link. You tell them, hey, I just sent you a text message. Did you get it? Okay, see that first example? That's just like what you could do because it's the same industry, right? And I tell them, click that link. See, that's an example redeemable coupon. That's like you're doing your own Groupon. You can send out your own offers to these databases. And then you can get, an extra 50 or 100 transactions a month by sending these out. And that's top line revenue increases. If you get 50 extra transactions per month, your average transaction is $35 per month or $35 per table. You're talking about $1,700 of additional revenue per month. Annualized out, that's $21,000 of extra revenue that you brought in just from sending out a few extra of your own Groupons. One extra one per month, perhaps. A lot of people can do a lot better than that. A lot of people can get $40,000 or $50,000 of extra revenue per location just by sending out their own little offers every once in a while. So that's what I tell them, and I'm showing them the redeem button. And I say, click the redeem button, click OK. Now it takes it off the phone. Now they can't use it again. Have you used the Groupon app before? It works just like the Groupon app. Now you can do it yourself. You're doing your own Groupons. Then I tell them, click that second link in the text message. Go back to your text messages. Click that second link. You know what that second link is? That's a link to a nice mobile website for that industry. And they can look at a nice salon website or a nice restaurant website with Facebook likes, or they can look at a nice retail website with a video on it. And so they click that link and they're looking at the example site, and then you're telling them, and you can have a nice mobile website. It's going to help your SEO. It's going to get less people bouncing off your site because they can't find the information fast enough. And it's get you better rankings. And we're going to help you build a database. And you can have a tablet sitting right there on the, on the counter, and everybody that walks by, you tell them to type their mobile number in. And you can use this on your traditional media, on your radio spots, on your print ads. You can start building databases of potential customers. The key here, folks, is to get this demo app and to put this demo app right on your phone and send it to every single person that you talk to and show them the examples right on their phone. If you get the examples on their phone, they are going to buy from you. Oh, I forgot one thing. You have to tell them how they're going to make money. The technology itself doesn't sell itself. Putting it in their hands is 90% of the way. What's the other 10%? Telling them how they're going to make money. By sending out that one extra message per month, you're going to get greater top of mind awareness, and that's going to generate extra real estate transactions for you over the course of a year. And what is 2 extra real estate transactions for you? That's $10,000 of extra money that you made, all for $39 a month or whatever you're charging them. You sign up for a TextAlertz program for $59 a month, and you get mobile coupons. Just 2 extra transactions a month pays for the service. Everything else after that is gravy, is extra money that you're making. And we're talking about making tens of thousands of additional money this year by using this service. When you tell people they're going to make extra money and you show them how they're going to make extra money, then they'll buy from you. And they'll buy that mobile website. How do you get the app? We emailed it to you, or we're going to email it to you after this. Here's the URL that you go to. You got to type it in exactly if you try to type it in. When you go to this URL, you type your mobile number in the form and hit submit. You'll get a text message back. So when you type your mobile number, you go to this URL, you type your mobile number in the form, you hit the Get Demo Now button, you receive back a text message, and you reply Y to that text message. Then you'll get another text message, and that text message will have the link in it to your demo site. And so you want to click that link, open up that mobile website, and then save that app icon to your home screen. And if you don't know how to do that, there's many tutorials on the web. Just type in, if you're an Android device, how do I save a shortcut icon to my home screen? If you're an Apple device, it's really easy. You just push the square at the bottom and hit add to home screen. So go use this demo. Go close some new accounts. I'm going to give this back to Beth. Thank you, guys. We'll be talking more here soon.
Thank you so much, Rob. We appreciate that great training. Everybody, make sure that you guys go to that link. I'm going to make sure it gets posted on social media later tonight, if not first thing tomorrow morning. So hopefully we can get that out to you guys. And if not, maybe we can get it out in one of our corporate emails to you in the next 24 to 48 hours as well. So definitely take a look at that link and review it and make sure you save that icon on your mobile phone so that you can, sorry, go out and present the TextAlertz service to your potential customers. Again, TextAlertz starts off at the low price of just $60 a month. I mean, and you get all of these great features, you know, the mobile website builder, the kiosk creator. You can create your own collateral, so you can actually have, you know, displays right at your own, at your businesses is what you tell these customers. It's all in one for a very low price, and all of the services are included. So it's a great feature for any business to have. Make sure that you guys go to the 5-link store to purchase any leave behinds that you guys might need for these businesses if they need more information. So that's why we have this here for you. And don't forget next week to join us for the weekly webinar training series at 9 o'clock Eastern every week on Thursdays, and we appreciate you guys, and we always play these back on the webinar.5links.com, and you guys can text webinars at 55469 for more information on this series. We appreciate you guys joining us tonight, and you guys have a great night, and good luck in selling TextAlertz.